Hello everyone, we're going to try to keep this video as short as possible. This video's content is based on how to start a business with no money. Now, if you're wondering, we are going to give you a business structure for the particular business which we are into and we're very familiar with, and I would like for you to learn it. Now, the important thing of a business is obviously the money. So, how do you start a business without any money, right? Well, first of all, if you don't have any, we'll work on your credit, fix that up. Um, we start the business for you, and we help you build a line of credit where you can use the money towards the business. And that's pretty much it. Everyone else that tells you, oh, they're going to show you how to start a business with no money, and then when it goes into the video, you realize that there is no conversation about actually any part of the content within the video, then obviously that's BS. Now, we have a full structure to follow. This is we are into the auto transport broker business. It's very lucrative. Now, if you want to use your money for another type of business once you have it, then that's great. But if you want to follow what we already have set, then you can, and it is indeed, as I said, very lucrative. Now, make sure you subscribe to the channel. My phone number, email addresses are below, and you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you contact me if you need to. See you soon.